Flip Video Ultra Series Pocket Size Camcorder. Record 60 minutes full VGA quality video. The Flip Video Ultra Series Camcorder is a revolutionary new way to shoot and share videos. Its portable, simple to use design makes it incredibly easy to create high-quality home movies. Capture photos from video clips, and upload videos directly to popular video sharing sites. This next-generation version of the original Flip Video line features a new sleeker design, premium no-glare LCD screen, and improved video and audio quality. Flip Video Ultra comes with a TV connector cable, wrist strap, soft carrying case, 2 AA batteries, and a quick start guide. Specs: Flip Video Ultra incorporates 2 GB of built-in flash memory which holds up to 60 minutes of 30 frames per second full VGA quality MPEG-4 video. Compatible with Windows XP SP2 and Vista. Macintosh OS X 10.3.9 or later. Computer connection via integrated USB port. It's portable, simple to use and amazingly affordable. One-touch recording and compact size make it the ideal choice for shooting video on the go. Capture memories as they happen, no fiddling around with memory cards, chargers or tapes. With 4 buttons, it's incredibly simple to record, zoom, playback instantly or delete your videos. Flip Video's internal flash memory holds up to 60 minutes of high-quality video. The new Flip Video Ultra Series line produces video that rivals that of more expensive camcorders. Built-in FlipShare Software. Flip Ultra comes equipped with FlipShare, Flip Video's new video sharing solution. Edit and create movies, edit individual clips and create custom movies complete with music. It's never been this easy to publish online. Capture the everyday moments that happen anywhere, and share them with family and friends. Email videos. Send your videos privately to friends and family, and select from a wide assortment of included greeting cards to personalize your message. Excellent! It is so easy to use, and simple to upload videos. To purchase Flip Video Ultra Series Camcorder, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads in the future, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.